Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from amandacrochets.com. In today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make the waffle stitch. This has been highly requested on my blog, so I thought I would go ahead and make a video tutorial. As you can see right here, this is what the waffle stitch looks like. This is my waffle stitch scarf. I will link the pattern below if you're interested in making this. I also have a waffle stitch blanket and a waffle stitch dishcloth, which I will again link below just in case you're interested in checking those patterns out. So again, this is what the waffle stitch looks like. You can see there's lots of texture to it, but it's still very squishy and durable. I really like this stitch a lot. It's one of my favorites. So let's go ahead and begin the tutorial. So in today's tutorial, you're going to need a 5.5 millimeter size I crochet hook. The crochet hook that I'm using today is the Clover or More. I will go ahead and link that below just in case you're interested in checking my review of these crochet hooks out. And you will also need some yarn. I'm just using some random yarn that's in my stash. So to begin, you're going to make a chain of 35. You're going to need a multiple of 3 plus 2. So that means you're going to need a multiple of 3, so 3 plus 3 plus 3 until your desired length, and then you're going to add on 2 more at the end. So again, for the purposes of this tutorial, let's go ahead and make 35 chains. To make a chain, you're going to do yarn over your hook and pull through that loop on your hook. So go ahead and continue that 34 more times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay, so after you have your chain, you're going to go ahead and make 1 double crochet in the 3rd chain from your hook. So this means you're going to make a double crochet in the 3rd chain. So the loop on your hook does not count as anything, and you're going to count 3 chains back from your hook. So 1, 2, and 3. So in that 3rd chain, you're going to go ahead and make a double crochet. So to make a double crochet, you're going to do yarn over your hook, insert your hook into that 3rd chain, yarn over, pull through that 1st chain that you just went through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops on your hook. So that is double crochet. So go ahead and make 1 double crochet in each chain across, and I will show you how to continue on to row 2. Okay, so this is what your first row is going to look like after you did 1 double crochet in each stitch across. To continue to row 2, you're going to do a chain 1 and turn. Okay, so what you're going to do now is you're going to make 1 double crochet in that very first stitch, so in this stitch right here. So 1 double crochet. Okay, and in that next stitch you're going to do 1 front post double crochet. So that means you're going to do yarn over your hook, insert your hook around the post. Instead of going in that stitch right here, you're going to go in that post. So from the right, you're going to go from right to left. Make sure that post is on top of your crochet hook, just like that. And then continue your double crochet as normal. So yarn over your hook, pull through, yarn over your hook, pull through the first 2, yarn over your hook, pull through the last 2. So when you do a front post double crochet, your stitch is actually going to be raised up a little bit. So in the next 2 double crochet stitches, you're going to make 1 double crochet. So 1 and 2. Okay? In that next double crochet, you're going to make a front post double crochet. So again, yarn over your hook, insert your hook behind the post, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first two, yarn over, pull through the last two. So you can probably see it just a little bit. Your first waffle stitch is right there. So you want to continue with this pattern all the way down. So you're going to make 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 front post double crochet, and then again 1 double crochet in the next 2. So continue that all the way down, and I will show you how to end. Okay, so we're coming up on the end of row 2. We have 2 stitches left. So in that very last stitch right here, you're going to go ahead and make a front post double crochet. Okay, and now in that chain 3, so 1, 2, and 3, you're going to make 1 double crochet in the top of that chain 3. Okay, so here is what row 2 looks like. You can kind of see the pattern coming to life a little bit. Okay, to start row 3, you're going to do chain 1 and turn. One double crochet in the first stitch and in the next stitch. Okay, so then in the next 2 stitches, you're going to do a front post double crochet. Okay, and then the next stitch, you're going to do 1 double crochet. So you're going to continue that all the way down. You're going to do 1 front post double crochet in the next 2 stitches and 1 regular double crochet in the next stitch. And you're going to continue that all the way down, and then when you get to the very end, I will show you how to end this row. Okay, we're coming up on the end of the row. So to end this row, you're going to make 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So 1 and 2. So you'll notice that the pattern is a little bit different on this back side here. So you're going to go ahead and do a chain 1 and turn your work. So you can see this is more of a defined pattern here, which is more of the waffle stitch. So this is what your front is going to look like, and then your back is going to look a little bit different, like I said. So the pattern is very simple. You're going to just repeat rows 2 and 3 over and over again until you get your desired length. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 more rows of this stitch so you can be able to see what this pattern looks like. So go ahead and follow along with me if you like, and make 1 more row of 2 and 1 more row of row 3, and then that way you can see what the pattern looks like even more. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I did 1 more row of row 2, and as you can see, the pattern is coming out very nice. So this is what your pattern should look like. So to make the waffle stitch, you're going to go ahead and repeat rows 2 and 3 over and over again into your desired length. I recommend that you leave off on a row 2 like I did. As you can see, it's a little bit of a neater edge. And there you go. Thank you so much for joining me in learning how to make the waffle stitch, and I hope that you enjoy this stitch just as much as I did. Again, I will leave links below to the patterns that I've mentioned that I have created with this stitch, and again, I hope you enjoy making the stitch. So, thank you so much for joining me on this video. Please like and subscribe to see any future videos that I put out, and thank you so much. Bye.